So guys, in today's Django video, I'm telling you about the how to install a Django. If you don't know how to install a Django, so in today's video, whole thing I will be cover about that. So get ready for that and please hit a like button, share your friends and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's see how to install a Django. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Django video, I'm telling you about the how to install a Django. So this is a one more small video because in today's video I just told you about how to install a Django. That's why. So get ready for that and let's start how to install a Django. Install a Django. Now that we have created the virtual environment, we are ready to install a Django now. Okay. Note that remember to install a Django while you are in the virtual environment. Django is installed using pip with this command. If you are in the Windows, if you are on Windows, you write /m pip install Django. Then your Django will be start to downloading in the Windows. And if you are on Unix or Linux or Macs, so you wrote this type of command in your Linux or Mac. So then the Django has been then your Django has been started to download it. I have already downloaded a Django in my Windows, so I do not download it another time. I'm just giving you the I'm giving you the one command how to download it a Django. You can go the command in the command prompt. Then what you can do, you write like /m pip install Django. You write this type of code in your command prompt for Windows, and the for the Mac and Linux is this type of command. Okay, which will give you the result that look like this. At least on my Windows machine, like this type of one output has been come when your Django has been starting to download. Okay, now that is, now you have installed a Django in your new project and running in the virtual environment. That is how to install a Django. This is very simple way. Windows, Mac or Linux. You can run this project on either one. There are some small differences, like when writing a command in the command prompt, Windows uses the pi as the first word in the command line, while Linux and Macs use the Python. Like in the Windows, if you see what type of version has been installed in my Django in my Windows or on my Mac or Linux, so you wrote like in the Windows you wrote like this type of command like pi/version. If you are on Mac or Linux, so you write like this type of command. Okay, so let me tell you how to see. First of all, you go here, write pi, then /version. Then it will told you the version. Here you can, it is told me a version like 3.12.0 version has been I have installed it in my computer, in my Windows machine. In the rest of this tutorial, we will be using the Windows command. Check Django version. You can check if Django installed by asking for its version number like this, like Django, like this. Here you can see it. Let me show you. Like that. Django/admin/version. Then enter Django admin.ids. Okay. When I say like here, when I go here, up, okay, pi/m and then pip, then install Django file. Okay, now let's come down and you write this type of command, then it will be told you how the version of the Django. I have already, when I write here, let me write, where is that? Okay, when I write here, so it will telling me the version like 2.12.0, and if your Django is installed, you will get a result with the version number like that, like 4.1.2. okay, like that, or different number has been also will come. What's next? Now you are ready to create a Django project in the virtual environment on your computer. In the next chapter of this tutorial, we will create a Django project and look at the various features of Django and hopefully make you a Django developer. Okay, so get ready for that. From the next video, I told you about when we make a new Django project and we write a code in that. Okay, so get ready for that. Now our small videos has been finished. So from the next video, the videos has been coming like 15 to 20 minutes. So get ready for that and please hit a like button, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our latest videos or future videos. Okay, so now please access my Django playlist and bookmark it also. So now I'm using next lesson next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, good.